Steps. Use the sachet to scent your drawers and keep insects away. Tuck it in other places such as the bureau, a chest, in the car or in a meeting room. Try making an air freshener out of a lavender sachet. Hang it in a window or some other place where there is an airflow. Eliminate fatigue by placing the sachet near your head or sitting across your eyes while lying down in a darkened room. Do this for about half an hour. Give lavender sachets as a gift. Large ones make a gift on their own, while smaller ones are great additions to a basket. Use it as a bath sachet. Throw a sachet in with the dryer. This will help to make clothes smell fresh and also scents the surrounding air. If your laundry is in a basement, the combination of the aroma and the heat from the dryer can help to dispel moldy or other rank smells in the basement area. Tuck a sachet under your pillow to help induce sweet and peaceful dreams.